Good day. My name is Sunday Orone, and welcome to my demo presentation for the Webstack project in the ALX SE. Today's project is a tech dictionary that I'm working on for my Webstack Portfolio Project. So this dictionary is, the aim is just to explain technical terms to the layman. So I use a tagline for this project, and I called it Tech Dictionary for Everybody, or for everyone. This is a dictionary that developers can use, or primary school, or secondary school, or high school students or pupils can also use and get familiar with technical terms. So what you're seeing right now is the app interface where you can interact with the application. So any user coming to this page would be greeted by this search bar where they can search for a term. That's the basic use of the app. So we can enter a term and it can tell us if that term has a technical definition, and it will give us the meaning for it. So I used React for the front end of this project. So let's say I want to know what React is all about, and I type React here and I click enter. It tells us what React is. So it tells us that React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. And it also shows an example use age of the word React in technical terms. So it says we can add more functionality to our React apps by using hooks. Okay, so that is the basic use of the application. So right now we have limited words, like if we're looking for a word called carousel, it has not been added to the database yet. So it will bring this not found error, and you can't find the meaning for that word, although it's a technical word. There's also an upside to this because we're making it open. I'm making it open to the general public, where you can add a new word suggestion. So let's say we want to add a word suggestion called carousel, and we can give it a definition. You can say a slider of photos or elements. Let me just use of elements. That's a very shabby definition, but it can work for this presentation. So once I do that and I click on the submit button, I'm greeted by this message that says the word has been successfully submitted. But that doesn't mean that we can use that word yet. That's where the admin dashboard comes into play. So we'll have an admin dashboard that will be, of course, will be secure, where we can approve or deny any word that has been added to the database. So definitely this is going to be an open source project, and anyone can contribute to it and expand our database. So here we can see the admin dashboard, and we have entries already for API. We can choose to approve or reject. Then we have CDN, we have React, we have Tailwind CSS. So let's say I want to approve a number here, approve, then I deny or reject the last one here. You can now see a message that there is no more approval request on the admin dashboard. Of course, there'll be more features or more functionality for the admin dashboard here, but that's what we're going to fly with for now. We can also see a button to go back home and continue our search. And that is basically it. Right now I'm using a dummy data for this presentation. So, but I intend to connect it to Firebase, where I use a Firestore for this, and it will operate on a real-time basis. Yeah, so we have a link here for support that will lead you directly to the repository of this project on GitHub. On the moment, yes, so it leads you to the repository on GitHub here. And also we have a link here for myself. I'm the sole developer on this project. So that's all I have to show for now. Thank you very much. Bye.